It's just Shubham's decision that we should today only go, two of us will go to ride. This is a park. Am I riding in a park? From as you guys seen till now, it's damn, look at the view, bhai. Okay, that's the temple, guys. And that's Shubham. I'm not good with route guides. I just need to make such as content more and more. You will get to know the pros and cons and review after maybe around 2000. Yeah, naked or sports bike, faired bike, they don't seem to really work out on the silencer. On a group, always look for them, because you never know if they need your help or not. Good morning, guys. It's a Sunday vlog, of course, as usual, and today we are heading to Tosham. It's around 40 to 50 kilometers from Hisar, and there's a temple, Hindu temple on Tosham, so we are going there today. And as you can see, it's currently 7:19 a.m. and we are still around 10 kilometers far away from Tosham. We will reach there by 20-25 minutes, because we are not over speeding yet, just enjoying the view. As you can see, the view is great, the roads are great, and he doesn't know where to go. Damn, bye. Today we are heading to Tosham, and today we have only three of us. Today we only have three of us, Shubham, Nikhil and me, because of some issues, and it's just Shubham's decision that we should today only go, two of us will go to ride. And yeah, damn man, you can see that lake. So good. Is it a zoo or what? Damn, look at the view. Damn, मैं वहाँ से आने वाला हूँ. Hey guys, look at the view. Damn, it's too good. The sunrise, the lake, it's just so good. Don't you feel like? Let me know in the comments how you feel. Is it good or what? Is it a park or what? It is a park. Am I riding in a park? I'm riding in a park right now, and I think I shouldn't have done this. Am I not allowed? Yes, I am not allowed to ride in a park, of course. I should just go back to them. But that's really good, yaar. Lake and park, people do really enjoy this park, don't you think? अंकल जी को डिस्टर्ब कर दिया मैंने, मैं यहाँ से जाता हूँ. I shouldn't have done this, bro. Damn, bro, view is awesome. View is really awesome. Now we are heading to a temple, and the route is quite unusual from as you guys seen till now. It's damn, look at the view, bhai. The hill looks so good. It's not that high, but still it is not that like up to mark, but still it's good. I just want to go up there and look at the view from there. Damn, bhai. Now the look, the way to the hill is quite like as you guys seen in Rajasthan Have you guys seen the Rajasthan routes? Okay, that's the temple, guys. Up on a hill, and look at the view. That's quite awesome. Yeah, it is. Damn. The view is so good. And look at the temple, guys. Someone really created that temple so good in a place like this. And that's Shubham. Say hi to Shubham, guys.
Hey.
I see you in the way. So guys, now we are heading back to our home. It was not that great, but worth it. Like, it was worth the ride. And eventually we were just 3 of us, so not that big deal. I'm not good with route guides. I just एंड ये गलियाँ ना सच में मेरे को कभी भी समझ ही नहीं आई. सिमिलर सी लगती है ना एक्चुअली. एंड आई होप मेरे कैमरे का एंगल सही हो. अगर नहीं होगा तो एडिटर प्लीज़ फिक्स इट एज सून एज पॉसिबल. बाकी एडिटर की एडिटिंग तो है ही परफेक्शन, so he will fix it. And thank you for the support to the last Sunday vlog. We reached 1k view on that video. Thank you so much for that, and I will try to make such as content more and more. I'm trying to improve it day by day. Actually, I'm still learning, so if you guys have any suggestions, advice or anything, you can leave a comment in comment box and I read that. Even editor to read that. Yes or no? He's saying yes. He's saying yes, guys. I forget to tie my helmet strap. Thanks, editor. Now we are good to go. By the way, guys, we have completed 600 kilometers on our Heroes Extreme 125, and you will get to know the pros and cons and review after maybe around 2000. Yeah, it may like 2000 to hona chahiye na, so 2000, after 2000. Till now it's good, smooth, no problem, not find any issues with the engine or bike. It's a good bike for daily use and commuter segment. Even the look is too good to be true. Wait, I show you. The Shubham is riding the bike right now. I'll show in a second. So you guys can see the view of Extreme 125R. Actually, Shubham is riding the bike, and you can see the view and overall aesthetic of this bike looks good. And especially the Indian brand that makes bike like this, like Naked or sports bike, Favorite bike, they don't seem to really work out on the silencer face. Okay, the silencer of the bike, like RR, and you can check out the NS Pulsar Z500, and overall silencer section doesn't seem to really work out with the bike. It doesn't look that good, but the Hero did really good work with the silencer side. Even the stock silencer of the Extreme 125R looks so good with the bike. Like, it does match with the bike aesthetics. And currently we are 20-25 kilometers away from Hisar, and we reach Hisar in around 30-35 minutes. And the overall experience of this ride was good. And the place we visited, the temple, the Hindu temple, it was really good. The view and overall look, not too crowded, nothing like that. And I really just don't like the crowded place. That's my personal opinion. सबको अलग अलग हो सकता है. Some people do like places with the people around there, but I just don't like crowded place. Okay, for me it was good. For others, I don't know. Yeah. So we are now around 20 kilometers away from Hisar. I'm riding the Suzuki Gixxer 150. It's actually a Subham's bike, and the bike performance is really good. I'm not kidding. The bike performance is really good. I just the sitting posture, the handling is just really good, and the power is sufficient. I just don't feel like I'm losing on power, or I just feel like I just need some more power or anything. You can reach 100 easily in this. The performance and handling is so good. See, I just touched 100 in around 4.5 seconds. Even at 100 or 3-digit speeds, even in 3-digit speeds, the bike doesn't feel like it's pushing its limit or the wobbling issue or anything. The bike is really stable, and the performance of this bike is really good, especially the short range. In a short range, when you're in a lower gear like third or second gear, the push of this bike is really good. Wait, I show you. So we are now at second gear, and the speed is around, let's slow it down, and 30. So if I push it, the pickup is really good on this bike. It literally touches 80 at third gear and 95 around at fourth gear, and we can touch 100 above in fifth gear. It has only 5 gears, so yeah. So what I'm trying to explain here is the pickup and the power is too good in this bike. And after installing the Apollo H1 tire, yeah, Subham just recently installed the Apollo H1 tire on this bike. So after that, the performance and overall stability is really improved. Even I ridden that bike like around thousands of kilometers. If you guys have watched the Manali vlogs, me and Subham went to Manali in this bike, and we ridden this bike around thousands of kilometers, around 1000, 1500, 2000. Okay, and after installing the H1 tire on this bike, the performance, stability has really improved. Like, I didn't feel like I'm missing out something. The grip is really good. Even on the corners, I feel like I'm feel confident. Okay, I'm not feel like I will just lose the grip, I will slip or anything. The confidence if I get on this tire is really good. I can just push till 80, 70 and still lean it, and I didn't feel like I will slip or anything. The performance and tire quality is really good. I know it's little bit expensive, but it worth it. So guys, whenever you are on group rides, and especially in a group of people like 5, 6, 7, always look for your friends. Like on a group, always look for them. Whenever you're speeding or anything, just look for them, like see if they are coming or not, because you never know if they need your help or not. Okay, so always look for them. That's a tip of today. Always look for them whenever you're on highway, especially in this Haryana highway. Editor highlight kar dena. In Haryana's highway, you always have to look for even for yourself, because the driver of this Haryana state I'm not targeting anyone or saying every driver of Haryana like they are bad or anything. Just some of them are I just feel are not qualified to drive any vehicle on highways. You guys watched my vlogs, like my Sunday vlogs, and thank you so much for that. But please do support Shubham's video too. Like, I know I do make videos on his channel. Do watch Shubham's video too. He do make really good content, like the any of vlogs. You can check out any of his vlogs. I feel like he is good with the reviews. He's really good with the reviews. He know all the details, and yeah, stay away from people who doesn't know how to drive. If you know, you know. That's a hint. Let me know in the comments whom I'm talking about. By the way, I was talking about the Extremes 125 hours silencer. I don't feel like it's matched with the aesthetic of RR. The RR is a really good bike though. It's a really good powerful bike, but the silencer doesn't seem to match out with the bike. And after this video's upload, I am going to face some really big Kalesh. I'm not saying the bike is not good, okay dude, listen. I'm not saying the bike is not good. Bike is really good, okay guys, listen. Bike is really good. It's just TVS has some sort of problem with the service, okay. Bike is always good, okay. You guys need to understand the bike or any vehicle is good in their perspective, okay. You just have to take care of it, the service, the maintenance. I feel like if you're owning a bike or any vehicle, you should have a some of knowledge of that vehicle, okay. Like if I'm owning a bike, I know what's the size of tire it has, or which size of tire I can upgrade to, which engine oil is good for that bike, okay. So some of you need to have that knowledge of your vehicle. Then only you're going to know about what's the issue with the bike or your vehicle. Just spend some time and learn it. Have to. If you're owning a bike or any vehicle, you have to learn it, or you're going to just spend blindly money on that vehicle. You doesn't know the problem, you're just going to spend more and more and more. So try to learn your vehicle, the gear ratio, acceleration, 0 to 100, and not always that's a really popular line, but that's always a Shubham style line, okay. For now, not always higher cc bikes are good, okay. Higher cc doesn't mean it has more fun or anything. See, even I know 1000cc bikes have a capability to touch 300, 400 or anything around that, okay. But I'm not saying the bikes are not good. Just have to capable for it first. Start with the smaller cc bikes, okay. And I feel like even some of you guys can relate. For Indian roads, I don't think 1000cc bikes are worth it. Indian roads are not that good, okay. You guys have to accept that Indian roads are just not that good. So bikes around 300cc, 400cc's are still good. Off-roaders are best for Indian roads, yeah. Did you guys see any bump or anything on the highways? I have seen that a lot. Indian roads, off-roaders are built for that. Finally reached Hisar, and now we are heading to Shubham's house, I guess, because he promised us for a breakfast. So we are going to have some chai and aloo ke parathe. By the way, if you guys like the vlog, let me know in the comments, and if is there anything I'm lacking or I need to improve, that's also you can let me know in the comments. Or you can follow the IG of Shubham and ask him if you have any questions. He will text you back as soon as possible, because you know he's always busy. Thank you for the watching. Bye bye. See you. Take care. and stay safe on the roads, especially on Haryana. Editor highlight कर देना.